What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. I have another Gmade car here, and Gmade are really good supporters of the channel, so thank you very much for them. This is the Gmade Sawback. I've had one of these ages ago with the leaf sprung suspension. This is the 4-link suspension kit. So they sent me this, I'm gonna put it together, and it's got all, I want to make it a stock build, so stock servo, ESC, all that kind of, the radio gear, all that kind of stuff, like I did with some of my other builds. Got the Buffalo there, gone, they're all beautiful kits. So if I remember, I'll put a little tag up there to check those videos out. But this is their, like, it's not the latest kit, but it is on their website, and I do love the Sawback, one of my favorites. So I thought, you know what, let's do an unboxing first, see what we get, all the parts that we got with this kit, and yeah, we'll check it out. Like I said, Gmade Sawback, that was, wow, one of my first ones back in the day. And I love it because I love Jeeps and the old school military theme. So here we go, first up, see what we get. So we have our brush motor, it's a 35 turn brush motor. Like I said, we're going to keep it a nice, simple kit, nice, reliable. All kind of Gmade stock parts. We have our high torque steering servo just there. Also have a nice LED light kit as well, so they kind of sent me in some extras as well for that, so that's great. And there is the light bucket kit for that as well. So that's the Sawback light bucket kit. You won't go very far if you don't have an ESC. So that is the basic 40 amp brushed waterproof ESC. Alrighty, get that big box out of the way. Let's have a look at this kit. Now, a lot of you guys have maybe built one of these in the day. There we go. I like it because it's yeah, Gmade. They go together really, really well. Good quality parts, and I love the Jeep. So there we go. And the good thing about it with these Jeeps, even though it's like a 1/10 scale, the wheelbase, the Jeep being a small car in real life, that's it roughly there. So that's the another manufacturer there, the FMS, I believe. The 1/5 scale military dudes fit in here really well. You can't put a 1/10 or 1/8 scale figure in these. It looks odd. Nice parts. Typical metal C chassis there, C-frame type of chassis. You've got some fluids here, you've got your gear grease. Full ball bearings is what you'd expect. The diff housings there, really nice. Like I said, the plastic in these are really good. Check out these tyres. Pretty chunky. Foam filled, obviously. They do feel quite grippy and malleable, which is nice. You need 4 of those, which is what you have. Your springs. There's your links kit there as well. So that's the original one, had leaf sprung suspension, pretty much like the prototypical Jeep. Nice molded bumper there, looks really good. More parts here, so you got your gears, pinion, your transfer case it looks like, and your wheels, and they are real beadlock wheels. I like that old school stamp style rim, it looks really, really nice. And then your awesome looking Jeep Willys body, or whatever it is, but it definitely does look like one of those. Nice quality plastic, definitely nice and hardy, that's for sure. It's not flimsy, which is really good. Now, for example, if I get this guy here, you know, fits in there quite well. It's got to maybe do a bit of surgery on his legs, but the body is similar to this guy. Like I'm just talking about the dimensions. See what I mean? Very similar in size. So that's why these are really cool for you guys that like the 1/5 scale figurines. These guys go in there really, really well. So put that dude there. And I think that's a dragon figure. I've had a lot of people ask, what is that? That's a dragon. I think it's a pretty rare one actually, but it's fairly old now. Structure manual, Sawback, off-road performance vehicle, and that's a 4LS, a 4-link suspension kit. Nice stickers, not much else to say. All we need is the radio gear, which is easy. That's just, I can use something of my other ones and just a receiver. That is it. Everything is there, ready to go. I'm not sure what color they painted, but I do love the army green, famous army green. Can't go wrong there. But we'll put it together. Any major things pop out, I'll do another video, you know, I guess progression video, but we'll see how we go. Right, cool, another Gmade to the fleet. I love them. Like I said, got a couple there. I love the black one, stealth black there, hanging up. But they, like, I think one of the best value crawlers in the market. Awesome quality, great customer service as well, and their website got heaps of parts, and they are cheap for what you get, in my opinion. So that's what it is. Thought I'd do a quick video, show you what you get. See you in the next one.